All right, guys. So Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and I specifically want to talk about the Thieves Cleaner, why I'm so passionate, and just this example of a post I had posted on Facebook on June 20th, 2018. These are before, during, and after pictures, including a video of rust stains on the carpet of the classroom that I work in. And let me tell you, I work in a very, very old building, and as you can see, this carpet is gross. It's old and it definitely needed some TLC. So instead of using paper towels, when I started using Thieves Cleaner on the rug, I used a sponge after to scrub everything off, which was like amazing and a million times easier and better than the paper towels. And I do have to say that Thieves Cleaner is my lifesaver. It's my go-to for mold, rust, and my overall cleaning in my apartment. And it's all natural, chemical free. There's no bleach, no chemicals, nothing to harm your health. And let me just say, I'm obsessed with this stuff, and it's just very amazing. So let's take a look at the photos, the before and after. And as you can see, there's a lot of rust. And as you can also see right here, I think that was the after picture of when I started making the video and started really. I actually sprayed the Thieves Cleaner on several times on the actual rust stain marks, and then kind of let it soak in for a little bit, and then I scrubbed it off. But let's take a look at the video that I made. Okay, so this is how gross the carpet is. Has a bunch of rust stains. I just sprayed Thieves Cleaner onto the spots. I let it sit for a couple minutes. I'm going to put a little more. Spray a little more Thieves. And then I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel. And I'm going to show you how it just comes right off. Look at all that orange coming off. Pretty amazing stuff here. I need more paper towels. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. And then here is another after picture. And then last but not least, I have the final ending of the rust coming off just with the Thieves Cleaner. So let's dig in and talk about Thieves in general, what it is, what it includes. So I'm actually going to pull up some information. What is Thieves Cleaner? And I'm going to pull this up. So basically, it's a household cleaner. But anyways, Thieves is a blend of clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus. And it's basically one of the best oils for cleaning. And the Thieves Household Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner formulated with 100% plant and mineral-based ingredients. And it gets out tough stains and problem areas in the home without harsh or abrasive cleaners, as you can see in the video and the pictures that I just mentioned. So I also want to show something else that is amazing. And I want to mention that this bottle right here, if you are a member with Young Living, the member price is actually $22.50, and you make, so basically, if you buy this Thieves Cleaner bottle, it's actually less than $1.50 a bottle, because basically what you're doing is you're opening up the bottle, the Thieves Cleaner bottle, and as you can see, there's a little cap on top. What I do is I pour the Thieves Cleaner onto the top cap of the bottle, And then I pour it into this glass bottle right here, as you can see in the second image to your right. And that will get you between 20 bottles, give or take, of an all-purpose cleaner. What you want to do is, again, you're going to pour the Thieves cleaner onto the cap, into the cap, and then you're going to put it into the glass cleaner and dilute the rest with water, if that makes any sense. And I should probably make a video on that so you'll actually understand, because it can kind of be confusing if you're not really familiar with Thieves cleaner or how to dilute it and what the ratios are when it comes to that. But basically, Thieves Cleaner is made of plants only and costs less than $1.50 a bottle to make. And honestly, you can't get that in the organic section at the grocery store. It's very, very powerful. You're actually like building your immune system with the products that you're using, but yeah, you're getting rid of mold, rust, you're actually cleaning what you need to clean. Again, I clean my floors, kitchen, bathroom, and all that jazz. So on that note, if you have any questions about what I mentioned, what I shared to you, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want to get started with living a better lifestyle, one of the best options is, let me pull it into my presentation. One of the best options, if you decide that you want to, oh, right here, if you like the sounds of the Thieves cleaner and want to replace all the chemicals underneath your cabinet in your home, this is the best route to go as far as becoming a wholesale member. Young Living is proud to offer a complete line of home and personal care products infused with a pleasant, spicy aroma of the proprietary Thieves Essential Oil Blend. The starter kit is ideal for those wishing to replace harmful chemicals in the home with powerful natural alternatives. And the Thieves starter kit actually includes a 15 ml bottle of the Thieves essential oil. It also includes the Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste, Thieves Fresh Incense plus mouthwash, 2 Thieves cleaner, 2 Thieves foaming hand soap, 2 Thieves spray, 2 Thieves waterless hand purifier, a 5 ml bottle of Stress Away. You also get a Aroma Glide roller fitment, which you can actually place on top of your essential oils so you can use it as a roll-on. And you also get the Thieves Household Cleaner, which is a 1 ounce sample, 10 Love It, Share It sample business cards. You also get some sample oil bottles and 2 ounce samples of the Ningxia Red, which I'm a huge fan, can't get enough of it. You also get the product guide and product price list, Essential Oil Magazine, Essential Edge member resources, and that is $160 for the starter kit. And let me tell you, it's the best deal if you want to just replace all your harmful chemicals underneath your cabinets, because if you bought this individually, the retail price would actually be double. So on that note, this is the best way to get started with Young Living, becoming a wholesale member, and yeah, living a better, clean lifestyle. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.